What's up, you guys? Welcome back and welcome if you're new. In today's video, I'm going to be having Jerry replace some spherical bearings on my Kings. I'm going to show you guys why in the next clip, but if your guys' Kings are making this weird noise that we're about to show you guys, this is going to be the fix for you guys. At the end of the video, if you guys do realize that you guys need to get this done on your truck as well, make sure to hit up Jerry. All his information is going to be in the description box below. Alright, you guys, so before we actually do the repair, right now I have Jerry inside the truck. He's going to go ahead and drive it for you guys so we could try to make that noise so you guys can kind of see if that's happening to your Kings. This is probably going to be the replacement you're going to have to do. So I don't know if you guys can hear that creaking noise. That creaking noise there. It may be kind of hard to hear for you guys, but I don't know if you guys can hear that, but basically if you guys are hearing that on your Kings, it's probably time that you guys go ahead and replace it. We're going to show you guys right now kind of what we're going to do. If you guys do end up needing this, make sure to hit up Jerry to get it done. Now that we have the wheel off, I'm going to show you guys something. So of course, these right here are my Kings. These are the 2.5 extended travel. I do have 700-pound springs on these bad boys since I do have a bunch of steel skid plates and a bumper and all that stuff. That doesn't really have nothing to do with what I'm about to show you guys. I'm just explaining it before someone asks me what kind of shocks I have. These are the ones with the remote reservoirs and adjusters. Look down here, inside of there right now, once we take the shock out, there's something called a spherical bearing. So with the Kings, they use something, it's a bearing that's just kind of like metal on metal. So over time it ends up giving out, and that just kind of creates that loud clunking noise and just that nasty noise when you go over dips, when you just drive around the street, or if you're braking, anything like that. And honestly, for a nice truck like this, it's pretty embarrassing when you're coming to a stoplight and it sounds like it's breaking down. So that's what we're going to be repairing today. Like I said, if your guys' Kings are doing this weird noise, which right now when we pull them out, we'll show you guys how it looks. But if it's doing this same weird noise, I'd highly recommend just go ahead and hit up Jerry. His info is in the description box below, and have him replace yours. It's actually really affordable to get it done. Right now we're going to pull this out. We'll show you guys exactly what I'm talking about, and we'll go from there. Right now, now that we have the lower control arm kind of pushed down, we're going to show you guys kind of the problem of these Kings. It's not a problem directly to them. It's just over time from abuse and just mileage on them, this tends to happen. So don't be worried if you guys are thinking Kings. They're still good overall shocks. I love these. I wouldn't go back. It's just, this is something kind of like a maintenance thing that has to be done on them. So let's go ahead and show you guys. Jerry's going to go ahead and play with it. As you guys can tell, it's kind of just jiggling everywhere. It shouldn't be doing that. You guys are going to notice that right now, that it's just kind of playing around a lot. Once we get the new ones installed, we'll show you guys the difference, but pay close attention to that noise and that jiggling. And keep in mind, my passenger side, which is the one we're playing with right now, this side is probably a little better than the driver's side. The driver's side is the one that was making the most noise. That was very embarrassing. This one's probably even worse than that. So we just wanted to show you guys the before, and then we're going to get this repaired, and then we'll show you guys the after. We pushed it out already. Let's go ahead and show you guys the old one versus the brand new one that we're going to be installing. These are my old ones. You can spin these with no problem. That's not supposed to happen. These things are not literally supposed to spin all the way around. This one here is going to be the brand new one. There's no way of spinning this thing. It's super clean. This one over here, it's basically broken. I mean, this is brand new here. Pushing it, you cannot push it by hand. So this is what's going to go into the truck right now, and we should be good to go. And then we just got to do the other side. It's now put in there. Now we just need to put the snap rings in, and everything's good to go. So as you guys can tell, everything's now installed. Super clean. These things are not going anywhere, so should get rid of the squeak. Let's get onto the driver's side. We're going to do the same process and go from there. Now that we're done with the installation, we're going to go ahead and show you guys that the noise is now finally gone. So I won't be as embarrassed as it was before. Of course, it is a nice truck overall, but just having noises like that are super loud, because if you are here in person, you'll notice it's loud. So now that will be gone. So even noticing it right now, usually when we would go in reverse, it was already doing it. But as you can tell, full brakes and nothing. So the only noise you can hear now is the leaf packs, which is not a big deal. Those leaf packs are known to make noise. But as far as the front, that was super loud, that noise is gone. So I'm excited about that. So if you guys do want to get this done, like I told you, make sure to hit up Jerry. And this was nicely done. So now that we finished up with the installation, one thing we did want to let you guys know, if you guys are curious on this installation, first thing we wanted to let you guys know is you wouldn't have to remove the actual coilovers or anything like that. We literally just pull out the bearings down there and push in some brand new ones. With this installation, it does take about 2 hours, so keep that in mind if you guys do bring your truck here. It's going to take about 2 hours. You could either wait here. There is a nice little lobby where you guys can hang out, watch some TV, have a drink or something like that, or of course get a ride and come back later. It's a super simple installation for him, but it does take some time as far as doing it. So if you guys do want it, you guys already know, make sure to hit up Jerry, the owner of Beast Fab. All his information is going to be in the description box below, along with all my other videos. If you guys do want to get this done, make sure to hit him up. If you guys did like today's video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.
Super simple, please feel free to subscribe.